How to add credit card on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can add your credit card to your Google Pay account, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Google Pay account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is for you to move to the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on the plus icon. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see the option payment card. That stands for your credit card. So just click on the option and then you'll be taken to the page where you will be asked to enter in your card details, such as your card number, your CVV, as well as the expiration date. And the reason why it's not appearing on my screen is because since it's details about your card, it's not allowed to shared or broadcasted. But for you, just go ahead and enter in the details, click on next, save your card, and that way your credit card will be added as a means of payment on your Google Pay application. All right, as easily as that. So if you've been wondering how you can add your credit card to Google Pay, I'm sure this tutorial has helped you, so go ahead and try it out. Thank you for watching everyone and have a good day.